Hello students. So our question is that 5 balls whose are marked by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers and are suspended by separate threads. So such that 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1 are the pairs in which there are attraction, and 2, 3, 4, 5 these are the pairs in which there are repulsion between 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so in question it was asked from us that what is the nature of ball 1? Is it negative, positive or neutral? Okay, so what will be the charge on 1? So to decide the charge on 1, to solve this question, first we have to take the charge on any one body. We have to assume the charge on any one ball. So how we will assume that charge and to which ball we will choose? So there are two options in front of us. Either you can decide on the basis of attraction or repulsion. If you are going to proceed this way with attraction 1, 2, if you decide that if 1, I am assuming the charge on 1 is positive and 2 is negative, so this method is wrong. If you are going to proceed this way, then this is wrong. Why? Because attraction is not the sure test of the having charge. On the basis of attraction, you can't say 1 and 2 both have the charge. Why? Because a neutral body can also attract to a positive. Neutral body can also attract to a negative. There can be attraction also between a positively charged body and neutral body, between a negatively charged body and neutral body. How? On the basis of electric induction, that I will explain in another video how it is possible. So by the help of attraction you can't decide the charge, because if you are saying that 1 is positive, then it is not necessary that 2 is negative, that may be neutral. Okay, so that's why we have to decide on the basis of repulsion, because repulsion is the sure test. If there is repulsion between 2 and 3, then you can say that 2 and 3 both are having the charge, and if there is repulsion between 4 and 5, then you can say 4 and 5 both are having the charge. Okay, so it means if 2 and 3 both are having the charge and 4 and 5 both are having the charge, how we can say? Because there is repulsion between this pair and this pair, so these 4 balls are having the charge. So if I assume the charge on second ball is positive, so there is repulsion between 2 and 3, so third will be also positive. Yes or no? So now on the basis of 2 we have decided the charge on 3. So I am assuming the charge on the second ball. Okay, on this one. So after that, but how we take the charge on 4 and 5? If it is confirmed that 4th ball and 5th ball are having the charge. Why? Because there is repulsion between 4th and 5th. Now which charge will be there on 4th and 5th? That is the question. How we will confirm this thing? There is attraction between 2 and 4. Okay, if and second ball is charged, we know, and 4th ball is also charged, so we can't take the concept of neutral body. It is has been confirmed from repulsion. 2 and 4 are having the charge, so it means, and there is attraction. So if second is positive, then 4th will be negative. Definitely it will be negative. And there is repulsion between 4 and 5, and 5th body is charged, we know by the help of repulsion. Then 5th will be also negative. 4th body is negative, then 5th will be also negative. So charge has been confirmed on 2, 3, 4, 5. Which kind of charge will be there? Now let's come to the point 1. Now there are two conditions that is given about 1. First is this one and second is this one. First, second. On the basis of these conditions we will decide about the charge on 1. If I take the condition 1, there is attraction between 1 and 2. Attraction between 1 and 2. So we know on the second ball there is positive charge. So according to this condition, first ball should be negative. If second ball is positive, if there is attraction, then first ball should be negative. If I take the condition, this was our condition 1. If I take the condition second, there is attraction between 4 and 1. If there is attraction between 4 and 1, what is the charge on 4th? There is negative. This body is negative. Okay, negative charge. So according to this, first should be positive. So by these two conditions, our answers are contradictory to each other. So it can't be possible that the same negative charge and positive charge on the same body. On a single body, two charges cannot be there, positive and negative both. So It means this body cannot be negative, cannot be positive. So how we will fulfill these conditions? Because we can fulfill this condition by neutral body. If I assume that first body is neutral body and second we know that it is positive and these are attracting. So I have already explained that neutral body can attract to positive, or we can say positive body can attract to neutral body. And fourth and one, there is charge on fourth is negative. It means if I consider it neutral body, then there can be attraction. So it means our first ball is neutral. It is the answer of that question which I uploaded last week. Okay, so this is the explanation that